So welcome to Llys Cadwyn here in Pontypridd, and we as Transport for Wales are delighted to be moving in here in the autumn. We should be getting the building at the end of October with a view to moving in with the furniture and everything in place sometime in mid-November.
My name is Lloyd. I'm a build manager working for Willmott, Dixon. I've been on the project now for 2.5 years and I'm very fortunate to carry it through right to be handover then in October. I'm just about to start the decorating works on the ground floor. The basement works, we've got the last bits of mechanical electrical installation to finish off. So it's really just decorations and carpets just to go down at the moment. So we've got quite an extensive PV set. You use solar energy rather than using mains electric. So you use your existing energy rather than drawing down on new energy. So we've got quite a large rainwater harvesting tank that's positioned in the basement. So that takes storm water from the podium slab and from the roof areas. That goes into the big tank and then it's pumped around the building.
So I'm Andrew Morgan, I'm the leader on the Cynon Council. Really pleased that Transport for Wales is here at our flagship development in Pontypridd. I think bringing such a major public sector employer such as Transport for Wales into the valleys is a really key message. This is actually jobs coming into the valleys, but linking in with the South Wales Metro plan, which is now under development and being rolled out. I think this is a huge win for Rhondda and a huge positive actually across the valleys.
We as Transport for Wales, we have a duty to fulfil for the travelling public, but we also have a duty with public money to spend that money for the good of Wales and the people of Wales. And coming here to Pontypridd, it's given us a fantastic opportunity to make a difference to the people of this area, a sustainable project which will hopefully help regenerate Pontypridd and the South Wales valleys. It'll be a fantastic facility. As you can see, everything has been done to our needs and our specification, and progress has been fantastic in the last few weeks, so we're looking forward.